Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how I made Infinite Craft. In Infinite Craft, let's get started. First, add water and earth to make a plant. Then, add a plant to another plant to make a tree. Next, combine two trees to make a forest. After that, add forests together to create a jungle. Now, add earth and fire to create lava. After that, add water to make a stone. Then, add wind to create sand. Next, add fire to the sand, transforming it into glass. Add fire to wind to produce smoke. Now, combine smoke with glass to create a mirror. Now, add earth and wind to create dust. Then, add fire to the dust to produce ash. Apply fire once more to create a phoenix. Add water and dust to form mud. Combine mud with the phoenix to create a bird. Add the bird to the jungle to obtain a parrot. Next, add earth to form a mountain. Combine the mountain with the mirror to create an echo. Finally, add the echo to the parrot for repeat. Add repeat to the loop for infinite. Apply fire to water to produce steam. Then, add fire to the steam to create an engine. Add the engine to sand to create a sandbox. Combine dust with earth to form a planet. Place the planet in the sandbox to create Minecraft. Finally, combine Minecraft with Infinite for the ultimate result. Boom, Infinite Craft. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.